Smart folders automate how you organize your notes in Apple Notes. You can create them from scratch, or convert an already existing folder into a smart one. Just make sure your folder doesn't contain shared or logged notes. Otherwise, Apple Notes won't be able to convert it into a smart folder. It also can't contain subfolders. A smart folder can include notes matching all or any of the filters you add. You have 9 filters for your local smart folders, that is, folders that are in your On My Mac account, which is where we are at the moment. A smart folder can group notes with specific tags. It can contain all the selected, any of the selected, any tag, or untagged notes. And then, of course, you have to select the tags that you want, depending on what option you've gone for. You can also group notes that were created or edited during a specific period of time. The app has a few presets for the time period, but you can customize the date for a specific range to choose fixed dates. Relative range can be in the past, hours, days, weeks, months, or years. On a date groups notes for one specific date that you choose. And you can also group notes that were created before or after a specific date that you choose. You can combine filters, any combination that you want. By playing around with these filters, you can determine the exact kind of notes you want in your smart folder. You can also remove the filters you don't want from your smart folder. For your iCloud smart folder, you have 2 more filters: shared and mentions. To fully understand all the different options for your smart folder, be sure to head over to our website for a more comprehensive breakdown of each. This also brings our Apple Notes course for the Mac to an end. We'll be posting the app settings on our website, so look out for that one. Hope you have enjoyed this course and that you have found it useful.